Hello, my name is Paulina, and I will be giving a presentation about my final reflection of INF303D. I'm a third-year student, and I am studying computer science. So coming into this class, I had a couple of goals. First and foremost, I was looking to fulfill credit. I am pursuing an information studies human-computer interaction minor, and this class counted as credit. So that was kind of my first goal. Secondarily, I was looking to learn about how technology has changed academia. So as with the title of this class, I found it interesting to think about how development and technology have changed, the classroom setting, the university setting. And kind of together, my third and fourth goal, where technology is going in current events and tech news. I find it very important to stay up to date with what's going on in the tech world, software, internet world, and so I was looking to be up to date with that. I found the libraries topic in the Module 1 to be very interesting. I learned about what resources are available to me that I didn't even know. The UT library search system to find journals and articles and things were very cool. So I was able to learn about what resources I had available to me and where to even find them. Two things I want to learn more about. Honestly, this is kind of embarrassing, but I was really fuzzy about scholarly sources and differentiating them. But I'd also love to learn after graduation, is there still, what kind of libraries and resources do I have to me to find similar resources? Then I also found the digital ethics topic inside Module 6 very interesting, learning about digital literacy. I always had a concept of how important it was for everyone to have digital competency, but I didn't really know the right term for it, digital literacy, and additionally accessibility. I work a lot with students who are, high school and younger who have visual impairment. So it's very interesting to learn in a class how I can optimize that for them. Two things I want to learn is what solutions are put in place for these problems, and also why don't we have classes about how to solve those solutions in college? I find that very important. Topics I wish we covered more to current events and technology. I think that could even be like a module on its own, so we're all up to date, but I understand that'd be kind of hard to anticipate at the beginning of the semester. And then also valuable takeaway, I really learned about working in a team and working with deadlines with this class being online. That was a little bit different for me. But thank you so much for this class. I've thoroughly enjoyed it.